Hi there, and welcome back to Belleville Toyota. I'm Bronwyn, and in today's video, I will be showing you how to recalibrate the memory seat function in your vehicle. If you are having trouble setting your memory seat, this video may be for you. Please note that memory seats are available on select models and may therefore not be applicable to your vehicle. Let's get started. For reference, I am using the 2021 Toyota Venza Limited Hybrid to demonstrate in this video as it has the memory seat function. To learn how to save your memory seats, I do have a separate video for that and I will link it down below if you require a full tutorial. First, make sure your vehicle is on. You can be in ignition on mode by pressing the power button twice without your foot on the brake, or you can turn the vehicle fully on with the engine running. You may feel a little silly following the instructions I'm about to give, but you should be able to recalibrate the seats no problem. Let's check out the power seat adjustments. For this tutorial, you will not need to worry about the lumbar seat settings. Instead, we will be working just with the base and the back support. You are going to operate the seat adjustments to its maximum forward position, then hold the switch forward for 1 second. And 1. Do the same thing moving the seat back as far as you can and hold that position for 1 second. And 1. Now operate the next seat adjustments to its maximum lifted position and hold the switch up for 1 second. Do the same thing moving the seat as far down as you can and hold that position for 1 second. And 1. I even like to do the thigh support, if applicable on your vehicle, just for good measure. And 1. And you can actually hear it a little bit when you're holding it down or up for 1 second. It sounds like a little click, if you will. Repeat these steps to the back support adjustments. So all the way forward and hold it for 1 second. Then all the way back and hold that for 1 second. Again, you're going to feel a little silly doing this, but trust me, it's going to fix it. Please note that completing these steps clears any saved memory seats, so you will need to resave whether you have one or both saved before. You're just going to have to resave them after you finish this. Now go ahead and put it back into whatever position you want to save. You can then press set, and within 3 seconds, either press 1 or 2 to set your memory seat. Keep in mind that best practices to save your memory seats are being in ignition on mode or having your engine fully running, being in park, and having the driver's door closed. And that is all for today's video on recalibrating your memory seats. I hope this helped. I'm Bronwyn from Belleville Toyota. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.